Hello everyone, I am Batu, and today we're going to be talking about the Acumatica P3M CMMS dashboard. As you can see here, we can see all our done assets, open work orders. We can see our work orders due this week, overdue work orders, overdue recurring work orders, and the work orders that completed that today. We can also see our work requests awaiting approval in here with their work request number, which date they created on. With each of them has a different asset ID and work requested as a description. For example, for this specific work order, it says machine will not start, right? And you will give the asset description here as well. And we can also see who requested this specific work order, right? Right next to that, we also have the new unassigned work orders. It's the same concept. We can see our work order ID with their priority level. We can see each asset ID with their work requested, which is description. This one specifically is a monthly oil change, for example, right? And for this one, we can see the asset description here, and we can see which day it created. And if it's completed, it will show up in here as well in this column who completed this specific work order. Thank you.